Hey everyone, I'm Phoenix. Let's take a quick ride in this 1969 El Camino before we dive into the details. Now you can tell this car has a very premium paint job and finish. Just look at how all these trees reflect in it. It's amazing. Okay, now that we've had a little fun, let's get a closer look at this awesome El Camino. This particular example is a 1969 El Camino SS, a model that held a distinguished position in the Chevrolet lineup even when it was first introduced. However, this specific vehicle is further distinguished by its remarkable modifications. Alright, let's observe the impressive engine. While it was originally equipped with a 396 cubic inch engine, a previous owner opted for a substantial upgrade. This El Camino now boasts a ZZ502 crate engine from General Motors. This formidable V8 generates an astounding output of over 500 horsepower. Furthermore, it's been paired with a 400 turbo transmission and a gear vendor's overdrive unit, ensuring seamless gear changes and effortless highway cruising. We can't forget this El Camino is not merely about brute force. It also offers a refined level of comfort and style. From the factory, it was equipped with amenities such as tilt steering, air conditioning, power windows, and a bench seat. Imagine traversing the open road on a warm summer day, enveloped in comfort. Observe this panel here. It conceals a hidden compartment where the rear passenger seating would typically be located in a Chevelle wagon. This compartment is informally referred to as the smuggler's box, a rather intriguing feature, wouldn't you agree? Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of this vehicle is its meticulous restoration. It has undergone a complete frame-off nut and bolt restoration, signifying that it was entirely disassembled and rebuilt with painstaking attention to detail. The result is a vehicle that is essentially indistinguishable from a brand new classic car.